गर फिरदौस पर रूह ज़मीन हस्त हमी हस्तो हमी हस्तो हमी हस्तो
Hi guys, welcome to Glee Travelers. This is me Varsha along with my girl gang from Leh Ladakh. इस वक्त सुबह के 5 बज रहे हैं और हम लोग निकल पड़े हैं ले एयरपोर्ट के लिए. And if you are new to our channel, let me tell you this is the last day of our Leh trip and we are heading to Srinagar. And we have a 8-hour layover in Srinagar and then we have our connecting flight to Mumbai. So basically हमारे पास 7-8 घंटे हैं श्रीनगर एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए. It feels good when you are ending a trip but again starting the trip. And time to fly above the clouds. Seven a.m. in the morning and we are excited to explore Srinagar right now. अगर आप लेह से श्रीनगर लैंड हो रहे हैं तो भी आपको RT-PCR नेगेटिव टेस्ट रिपोर्ट लगेगा along with a QR कोड. और अगर आपके पास रिपोर्ट नहीं है तो वो एयरपोर्ट पे ही आपका सैंपल लेते हैं and then you can go out of the airport to explore the city. So we booked an Innova for 6 hours and the driver was about to take us to different points.
संडे को बंद रहता है ज़्यादा में छुट्टी होती है ना सभी जाते हैं गार्डन में घूमने मगर ये कोविड की वजह से कश्मीर में घूमना है मैम सैटरडे और संडे को हर जगह पहलगाम सोनमर्ग गुलमर्ग दूध पत्थर यहाँ कोकरनाग वेरीनाग असवाल सभी जाते हैं घूमने.
And this is the famous Jhelum river. What a contrast in a day, from barren land to this green, beautiful paradise. Wow. And here we are near Dal Lake. India is truly incredible. So Srinagar is the largest city and the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir. It lies in the Kashmir Valley on the banks of Jhelum River. अगर आप श्रीनगर आ रहे हैं डल लेक और बहुत सारे गार्डन्स के अलावा आप गुलमर्ग, फलगाम और सोनमार्ग भी जा सकते हैं. पर क्योंकि हमारे पास सिर्फ 5-6 घंटे हैं तो वी आर जस्ट गोना एक्सप्लोर डल लेक or 1 or 2 of the gardens. The city is also famous for traditional Kashmiri handicrafts and dry fruits. So our first spot is Nishant Bagh, which is set on the shores of this pristine Dal Lake with a backdrop of Peer Pinjal Mountains. This is one of the most famous tourist attraction among locals. There are water fountains and pools with water supply in series. और फूलों की तो बात ही क्या करनी, मैंने कम से कम 50 से ज़्यादा अलग अलग तरह के फूल देखे हैं यहाँ पे. फॉर फ्लावर एंड नेचर लवर्स दिस प्लेस इज हेवन. और इस गार्डन में आके आप कश्मीरी बन के फ़ोटो भी खिंचवा सकते हैं. और ये हमारी ज्योति कुछ नया ट्राई करते हुए. शी इज़ ऑलरेडी लुकिंग ब्यूटीफुल. Nishant Bagh was designed by Asaf Khan, the elder brother of Noor Jahan in the 16th century. This place is open between 9 to 7 p.m. The garden is too big and it's really hot out here. पर अब हम लोग निकल रहे हैं डल लेक के लिए. Beautiful. If you love flowers, you must come here. Hey, so many shikaras to pick from. And finally our shikara ride has started. That guy has given us for 1200 1 hour. And that's our march. Shikara ride. Dal Lake has rightfully become an icon of Kashmir tourism industry. Enjoy this paradise. Enclosed by Peer Panjal Mountains and Mughal Garden, this is a must-see place. Not just the floating market, but they even have floating gardens in Dal Lake. And we have come to Nehru Park. This is a great place to take a break. There's a restaurant, you can have proper lunch, and I even spotted a white lotus. And this birdie, I don't know the name though. Let me know in comments if you know the name of that bird. Time to head back now. It's super hot over here. You can spot very beautiful, big, small, different houseboats and shikaras and small boats which are used for traveling from one point to another. और यहाँ पे रहने वाले सब लोगों के पास ऐसी boats हैं. You can easily say that Dal Lake is a town in itself. Just like a small town, यहाँ पे सब कुछ मिलता है. From grocery to vegetables to fruits to apparels to handicraft. The best thing to shop here is dry fruit, saffron and women clothing. They have really beautiful handwork. Yes, हम तीनों ने भी यहाँ पे कपड़ों की शॉपिंग की और हम लोगों ने जानवी को बहुत मिस किया. So basically this is a beautiful floating town. This covers an area of 18 square kilometer. You can even get clicked here. So after Leh, coming to Srinagar was just like cherry on top of the cake. We loved it. Possibilities are endless here. It just added so much more to our trip. So that brings a very good tip here. So whenever you are traveling any place by flight, you can always look for any other destination nearby and you can combine the trip and that too in the same and save money on. Obviously the lake is really big, तो आप यहाँ पे almost पूरा दिन बिता सकते हैं, but हमारे पास सिर्फ 2-3 घंटे ही थे और इन 2-3 घंटे में हम लोगों ने मार्केट, शॉप्स, garden, we saw everything and it was really beautiful. Now was the time to head back to the airport. Hi guys, so we are right now at Srinagar airport and we had awesome fun. We didn't knew Srinagar is so beautiful. There's still 2.5 hours to go. A long 6 days trip is about to end. And I'm missing Mayur, yeah. I'm missing Mayur.
Or you will see all of us and few more people in the next trip. See you soon. Bye.
And this is the time where our beautiful Ladakh trip comes to an end. And guys, please go share, like and subscribe to this channel if you have not done that yet. Until then, please take care of yourself and I'll see you in another vlog. As always, thanks for watching and this is me Varsha signing off from Srinagar. And whatever makes your soul happy, do that.